Okay, so this is the what can I do part of your module number 2. The title is The Behavior of Fear. Read and study the problem below, then perform the given tasks that follow. A certain region is still suffering pandemic due to COVID-19. An organization finds different ways in order for the people to move and transport within the region. One of these is to utilize e-jeepney. The proposed fare for a public e-jeepney, which will charge 50 pesos for the first 3 kilometers of travel and 10 pesos for each additional kilometers over the proposed fare.
As you can see, this table shows fare and distance traveled. You can notice that 2 km and 3 km are the same. Why? Because 2 km cannot reach the minimum fare, which is the 50 pesos, while 3 km is considered as the minimum fare. And the rest kilometers, we will add 10 pesos each because these kilometers go beyond the minimum fare, which is the 50 pesos.
Base the given problem, 3 km equal 50 pesos, additional 10 pesos per kilometer. If I add 2 kilometers sa minimum per na 3 kilometers, how much I pay? 50 pesos sa minimum per for 3 kilometers plus 10 per kilometer. So, 2 kilometers ang i-add ko. So, 3 kilometer plus 2 kilometers equal 5 kilometer equal, bring down 50 yung minimum fare plus 10 times 2 equals 20. 5 kilometers equal 50 plus 20 equals 70 pesos. Pag inad ko pala yung 2 kilometers sa minimum fare na 3 kilometers, ang pamasahe na natin ay magiging 70 pesos. Pag 3 kilometers naman ang inad ko, magiging 80 pesos. Pag 4 kilometers, 90. Pag 5 kilometers, 100. Pag 6 kilometers, 110. Pag 7 kilometers, 120. And pag 8 kilometers, 130. Y-axis equals per, x-axis equal distance. Dito na tayo sa graph. Ang minimum per natin ay 3 kilometers. So, kung hindi naman pasok yung, mali mo, 0.1 lang na-consume mo, magbabayaran mo pa rin ay 50 pesos kasi ayun yung minimum per. Pero pag hindi ka naman sumakay, wala kang babayaran kasi hindi naman tumakbo yun. So, pag nag-add ako ng 2 kilometers sa minimum fare, ang kakalabasan ay 70 pesos. Pag nag-add naman ako ng 3 kilometers, ang kakalabasan ay 80 pesos. Pag nag-add ako ulit ng 1 kilometer, 90. Pag nag-add ako ng 1 kilometer, 100. Pag nag-add ako ng 1 kilometer ulit, naging 110 na. Pag nag-add ako ng 1 kilometer, 120 and naging 130. Yun, 8 kilometer na. So, yun. Thank you.
Our task is to find the value of the amount of fare in peso when the distance traveled is 9 km, 10 km, 11 km, 12 km, and 13 km. So, to find the value of 9 km, hatiin muna natin yung 3 dahil yung 3 km ay fixed ng 50 pesos. Then, yung 6 ay multiply natin sa 10 kasi ang sasobra daw na kilometer ay nagkakahalaga ng 10 pesos. So, 10 times 6 equals 60. Then, add 60 and 50. So, 50 plus 60 equals 110 pesos. To find the value of 10 kilometer, iwalay ulit natin yung 3 kilometer dahil fix na tong 50 pesos. Then, 7 ay multiply natin sa 10. So, 10 times 7 equals 70. Then, add 50 plus 70 equals 120 pesos. To find the value of 11 km, hiwalay ulit natin yung 3 na 50 pesos. Then yung 8, i-multiply natin sa 10. So, 10 times 8 equals 80. Then add natin. 80 plus 50 equals 130 pesos. Para naman sa 12 km, hiwalay ulit natin yung 3 kilometer na nagkakahalaga ng 50 pesos. Then, multiply natin yung 9 sa 10. So, 10 times 9 equals 90. Then, add 90 plus 50 equals 140 pesos. At para naman sa 13 kilometers natin, hiwalay natin ulit yung 3 kilometers na 50 pesos. Then, multiply natin yung 10 sa sumobrang kilometer. So, which is 10 kilometers. So, 10 times 10 equals 100. Then, add 50 plus 100 equals 150 pesos. So, ang value ng 9 kilometers is equals to 110 pesos, while 10 kilometers is equals 120 pesos. In 11 kilometer, 130 pesos. In 12 kilometer is equivalent to 140 pesos. And our 13 kilometer equals 150 pesos.
Functions are really useful in our daily living. We are not just aware that we are using this in our lives. In computing for the fare and calculating the amount of earning of a worker, or even in finding the amount of money to be paid for a restaurant like this. The problem is, in an eat-all-you-can restaurant, a customer will pay a fixed rate of 200 pesos for eating seafood with a 3-hour maximum of staying there. If the customer exceeds 3 hours, he will be asked to pay 100 pesos for the succeeding number of hours. 200 is the fixed rate of 3 hours eating a seafood. Alexa got 2 hours, Kyla got 5 hours. 2 hours is fixed for 200 pesos. 3 hours will also be 200 because it's the maximum hours. So when you exceed to 4 hours, you will add 100 because the 3 hours is fixed and exceed hours is 1. And also 5, you will add 200 because the 3 hours is fixed and the exceed hours is 2.